everyone, it's the LPS KK here, and I'm going to be showing y'all LPS I just got in the mail today from Amazon Prime, and I got this set for only $32 because it was on sale for Black Friday. Ta-da! I had to open it off camera because I was struggling on camera so much. It took me like 20 minutes to get these guys out there. It was crazy. So here are the LPS I got, the Cozy Campfire set. It's so cute. Alright, here's the first LPS. This is the owl. Very sporty. Here is the owl's card. Right there. Let's see, just sitting on a little tree branch. And this little guy is... This one is sportiest, level 2, and exotic. They made a lot of these little owls, but he's still very cute. Or she. He's still very cute and pretty. Yeah. And the owl came with a little mouse. Next up we got... Oh, sorry. My bad. I'll just one straight my roll, okay? I'm trying, okay? Me. Sorry, little possum. Okay. Here is the hedgehog, or porcupine. He's a hedgehog. He's a porcupine. Yeah, very grayish, bluish colors on him. Not sure what to call this color really, but he got green eyes. He's sassy, I think. Yeah, sassy. His card right here, where he's chilling by the fire. It looks very cozy, little buddy. Lovely. He is sassy, it's level 2 and exotic. Very cool. Me. Oh, he's got this little tooth out. That's so cute. And he said he came with he came with this, which is a little stump. I got LPS sitting on it, so yeah. Next up is this little tiny little bear cub. Look at this little guy. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Look at him, isn't he cute? Cute little guy, cute little guy. Here's his coat where he's like outside. He is sportiest, level 1, and exotic. Actually, I think he's rare. Yeah, he's rare. He's just rare on the thing, so yeah. He's rare. Cutie patootie. Adorable. He came with, of course, a little pot of honey. There you go, little fella. A small snack full of honey. Alright, here's the bunny. Very pretty colors. I like this like cranberry-ish color. It's like fuchsia, cranberry, not sure what to call it, but it's still cute and bubbly. And here's the bunny's car where it's like just outside in Winter Wonderland. Looks like it's going for a stroll or going up to ski. To like little ski thing. Yeah. It's sportiest, level 2, and I think it's core. I'm going to assume core. Alright. He's got something like staying at a ski resort. I can't say at a ski resort. Which, you know what? That makes sense. But yeah. Bun. Here's this little adorable turtle who's minty green. And green all over right there. Little shell's got some pink on it. Some green. Look at those pretty eyes, purpley eyes. Oh, it's so cute. I like this little fella. Very pretty colors. Turtle's chilliest, level 2, and chase. Very pretty, very pretty. He came with the hot dog for some reason. Oh well. I mean, it's like standard camp food. I wasn't camping. Give like hot dogs and stuff like that. Fish, hot dogs, sometimes berries. A lot of things. Next up is this adorable panda. Reminds me of another LPS panda, which I do already have the panda, but like, I'll take pictures of them and show it for comparison later. If you want to see that, follow me on my Instagram, LPS Kitty Cat. I love this little panda by and by. I just love LPS pandas so much. He's so cute. Just have a like, little black dot right there, but that's okay. You're still a cutie pie. Still a cutie. Let's see here. Here is the fox. Very pretty colors. The blue and the white look so good. Oh, wait, the panda's card. Where's the panda's card? Here's the panda's card. Panda just sitting by a fireplace. The panda is hungriest, level 1, and exotic. And the fox's card here, it is happiest, level 2, and exotic. It looks like it's outside. Very pretty by a house. Must have probably ski lodge or something. Look at that. Got a little mark there, but that's okay. I was struggling to get them out of the box, so maybe that's why there's a mark on it. The eyes are a bit grainy, and there's still a little bit missing the bottom, but it's not terribly. That doesn't look too bad on this one. You're still very pretty and bobbly. Here's an accessory they came with. They came with this little orange fish. This darling little baby skunk. I think it's supposed to be skunk, but like it's like baby squirrel, but it has clothes skunk. I'm gonna call it baby skunk anyway. So adorable. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. Or she, maybe? Maybe it's a he. I think I'm gonna go be a he. My LPS, my way. You do LPS your own way. Here's its card. It is sassiest, level 2, and exotic. It looks like it's outside the ski lodge. It looks like they're going camping on a ski resort. I'm just gonna assume that's what they're doing. Adorable though. Look at he's so bubbly, the little baby. Precious. Precious little baby. And you came with, I think, some acorns. Where'd they go? I don't know where you look, accessory little fella. Oh well. Might have just dropped it. I tried. Alright, next up is this wolf wearing this little hat that comes with the set. So pretty. This hat came with the set, so I just put it on the wolf. Because I tried putting on the fox, but I kept it falling off. So, yeah, the wolf's wearing the hat. Looks kind of funny on it. I don't think it fully fits him, though. I'll get the hat off of him. There we go. Oh, he's a gray with some, like, purple colors. Blue eyes, white. He's so pretty. Here is his card, if I can find it. His card. Oh, there it is. Here is his card. He is fanciest, level 1, and rare. He's so pretty. His eyes aren't... Ooh, okay, his eyes are a little bad, but... very grainy on his eyes. Definitely like some paint missing, maybe. His eyes aren't good, but he's still cute and pretty. I still love him. Alright, let's see here. Here's a realistic colored possum. She's so cute. Here's a little girl. Aww. What a cutie. Very good. Let's see. Look at your eyes. Still grainy. Eyes are very grainy, kind of scratched up a bit, but still not bad. For an LPS, that is. Which is fun. You could definitely do better, though. Really, though. Yikes. Now, here's the possum's one. Looks like it's going sledding. It is friendliest, level 1, and exotic. Fun. Alright, you were right here, I think. Oops, Trossin. Oh well. Here's the deer. I put the little scarf on her, and she's so pretty. Here, look at that eye. This left eye is not good. It's like not fully in. Y'all see that? I think it's not fully in. Still very beautiful, though. I love this little deer. Look at this color. It's so perfect colors, though. And but look at the scarf kind of matches her eyes. She's so pretty. Here's the card is so beautiful too. Like wow, it's actually like a lot lighter than the card is. The card's a lot darker. Interesting. Fanciest, level 2 exotic. Lovely. Oh, here's Skunk's item. Came with these little acorns. It also came with these little campfire with marshmallows, so you can't have a campfire without, can't go camping without a campfire, you know? Here is this beautiful butterfly. As last but not least though, yay! It's purple. It's like a purple and blue. Oh, dropped her. Sorry. Sorry. Dropping LPS left and right. Sorry, little guys. But yes, last LPS that comes with it. I think that, are they have to buy different colors? Not sure, but it's very pretty. Beautiful butterfly. Maybe I'll probably put this on the box. This box is humongous. I can carry it around and wear it. So maybe it's like when I go traveling and stuff. That'd be nice. That'd be cute. Yeah. Here is the butterflies card. There it is. Here's a butterflies card. It's friendliest level 2 and exotic. This card's also very pretty too. Look at that. Yeah, see? Definitely, the colors match better in here. A bit darker. Interesting, but she's still very pretty. Besides her eye not being fully in there. Y'all can see her eyes aren't that good. But oh well. I mean, this part looks nice. I'm like, yeah, I shine there. Still cute though. Still pretty. But here is all the LPS it comes with. It also came with some accessories too. Like there's a canteen there. Fish. There's a mice. Here's all the LPS it comes with in a little box too. The box is huge. If I could close this, I would. But like, I kind of like how this looks with the background and such. But they're all just chilling so nicely. Pun intentional. But you know what? That's this LPS video. I'm gonna go hang out with these guys. We're gonna chill together. Yeah. I think it sounds nice to hang out with these little guys. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. That's okay. That's okay. Mind if I join y'all? Sure. Take a seat, Kate. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy myself, hang out with my new friends. LPS Skincare, signing out. Stay sweet. See me out. God bless Dave. See you next time. Bye, everyone. Happy holidays. I give this set a 10 out of 10. They're still very cute, though. Look at this. It looks very nice, don't it? Yeah. Bye, everyone.